All right, we're continuing our equilibrium demonstration. So we have our reaction set up as we left it when it reached equilibrium in our previous video. And now we're going to make a change to the system. We're going to remove some of the reactants. I'm going to remove 4 reactants and take them out of the reaction. So it's like I've completely removed these. So now I'm going to continue to do my exchanges. So I'll have half of my reactant. So now instead of having 14, I have 10. So I'll take 5. And then I still have 26 over here on the product side. So I'll take my 7, which would be a quarter. I'm going to exchange these. So now I'm going to have 24 products. And I'm going to have 12 reactants. So now I'm going to keep doing my exchanges again and again. And that's going to be for half of this 12. I'll take 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. And it'll be 6 will be 1/4 of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll exchange those. All right. So that means I'm going to, again, have 12 reactants and 24 products. So I can do this again. Half is going to be 6. So I would take my 6 and 1/4 would be 6 and I'll exchange them. And I'll have 12 reactants again, and I'll have 24 products again. All right. So let's stop there and make a new change. I'm going to take away 6 of my products. So that means I now have 18 products initially, and I have 12 reactants. So I'm going to take my 6 again, which will be half of my reactants. And my 18, 1/4 of that is going to be 4.5. So I'll take 5, 3, 4, 5, and I'll exchange these. So now I have 11 reactants, and I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 19 products. So I'm going to do my exchange again. I'm still going to, 1/4 of my products will be 4.75 instead of 4.5. So I'm still going to round up to 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Half of my reactants at 11 would be 5.5. So I'm going to round that up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And exchange these. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've got 10 reactants and 20 products. So to do another exchange, 1/4 of my 20 would be 5. And half over here is going to be 5 as well. And I'm going to exchange. And I'm going to end up again with 10 and 20. So if I take half, it'll be 5. If I take 1/4, it'll be 5, and I'll exchange. And I'll have a total of 10, and I'll have a total of 20 again. All right. So hopefully these 2 changes, we were able to show the effect of how it changes our reactants and products and until it reaches equilibrium again.